Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue chapter 12, algebraic expressions. Exercise 12.3. Before starting the exercise, I'll suggest to you that you have to do by yourself first, then cross check the answers. Don't copy the answers directly from here. Exercise 12.3, first question. If m equal to 2, find the value of m minus 2. So which is the algebraic expression m minus 2? What is the value they have asked? M equal to 2. So m minus 2 became 2 minus 2 equal to 0 when m equal to 2. Right. Now the second expression is 3m minus 5. Now again we have to put m equal to 2 only. So 3m minus 5 I'll write first, then 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 into 2, what is the answer? 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Again we should write when m equal to 2. Again the third question, 9 minus 5m. So 9 minus 5 into 2. 5 into 2 we must solve first. 9 minus 10. Again the integer rule minus 1. So again we should write that which value you are putting like this when m equal to 2. 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Again 3 into m square means 2 into 2, or we can direct 2 square also. So 3 into 4, that is 12. Again minus 2m, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 7. So 12 minus 11, you will get the answer 1 only. So each question you can see the answer. First one it is 0, second case it was 1, and minus 1 and a 1 only. So when we are putting the values as m equal to 2, the each time you can calculate algebraic expressions value is also different only. Now fifth question, 5m by 2 minus 4. 5m by 2 minus 4 equal to, m changes as 2, 5 into 2 by 2, that is 10 by 2. Or 2 we can get cancelled. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. You write here when m equal to 2. So even if I am not writing, whenever value you are putting correspondingly right side, you must write. Okay. The next question. If p equal to minus 2, find the value of 4p plus 7. So 4 into minus 2 plus 7 minus 8 plus 7 equal to minus 1. Similarly, when p equal to minus 2, what is the value for this particular algebraic expression? What is the expression? Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So we will write that minus 3 into minus 2 square. That means minus 2 into 2, minus 2 they have written. Otherwise minus 3 into 2 minus 2 square we can write 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Simplify minus 3. So here you can write either put m equal to, in this time p only, put p equal to minus 2, or we can write when n equal p equal to minus 2. I repeat, what is algebraic expression? Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. What we have done? Minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Again 4 into minus 2 plus 7, that is minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. So what is the value we are getting? Minus 13. What is the next question? Minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. What is the value we have to put? P equal to minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. How many minus are there? 4 minus. So the answer became plus. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. Again minus 3p square. So minus 2 is 2 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Minus 3 into plus 4 minus 12. Again 4 into minus 2, the answer is minus 8. Again the last term plus 7. So after the simplification you will get the answer equal to 3. Third question. Find the value of the following expressions when x equal to minus 1. So what is the first equation? 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 we are written. Now what is the value to be replaced? Minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 minus 7. 2 into minus 1, what is the answer? Minus 2. So minus 2 minus 7 equal to minus 9. Here you should write when x equal to minus 1, right? Now minus x plus 2, that is the second question, and the value for the expression x is same only, minus 1 we should put. So minus x plus 2 equal to minus of minus 1. See this one, minus x is there, we are replacing x as minus 1. So outside also minus is there, minus of minus 1 plus 2. So minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. What we should write here? When x equal to minus 1. Now third question, x square plus 2x plus 1, that is the expression. Now x square plus 2x plus 1, what should be replaced for x? X as minus 1. So minus 1 square, that is minus 1 into minus 1. What is the answer? Plus 1. Plus 2x, 2 into minus 1. What is 2 into minus 1? Minus 2. Then plus 1. 1 and 1 plus 2 only. 2 minus 2, 0. So your answer is 0 when x equal to minus 1. Right? Now what is the next question? 2x square minus x minus 2. Again, what is the value we have to going to replace now? X equal to minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 square, that is 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus of minus 1. See, here also already 1 minus is there. X is also having minus 1. We replaced x as minus 1. Again minus 2. So what is the value? Minus into minus 1 plus 1 only. So 2 into 1, 2. Minus into minus 1, the value is plus 1. Again minus 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is the value? 1. So when x equal to minus 1. So we got the answer 1. If a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2, find the value for a square plus b square. Till last question we have seen that only one variable. Now what happened here? Two variables are there and two variables also having different values. What are the value? A should be put as 2 and b should keep as minus 2. So the question is what? A square plus b square. So instead of a we should write 2 square, instead of b minus 2 square. So 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square is 4. So total it is equal to 8. So we should write this time when a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2. Second question, a square plus ab plus b square. So what values we should change here? Don't forget to change as a 2 and minus 2. So it is a square means a into a, that means 2 into 2. Here second term is ab. So one is plus 2, another one is minus 2. So 2 into minus 2. What is b square? Minus 2 into minus 2. So it will be plus 4. So 4 minus 4 and 4. So 1 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. The remaining value is 4. What should add here? When a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2. So the third question, a square minus b square. Now you understood how the step is. Instead of a, 2 whole square. Instead of a, 2 should be put, a square will be 2 square minus b will be minus 2. So minus 2 square. So 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is 4 only, but in between minus is there. So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. What should add? When a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2. Question number 5. When a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1, find the value. So here also again two variables you can see the different values they had given. One is a equal to 0, another one b equal to minus 1. What is the question for us? 2a plus 2b. So 2 into 0, because a is 0, b is minus 1. 2 into minus 1. So 0 into anything 0 only. 0 minus 2, the answer is minus 2. You should add here when a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. Now what is the second question? 2a square plus b square plus 1. So again 2 into 0 square plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So when a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. Here 2a square plus b square plus 1 only. So 2 into 0 square. So 0 into anything 0 came. B square minus 1 is repeated 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Again plus 1. So your answer is 2 only. Now the third question. 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. 2a square b means 2 into 0 square into minus 1. Right? So 0 into anything means 0 only. Now what is the second term? 2ab square. So again you can see that a value is 0. So 2 into 0 into minus 1 square or minus 1 into minus 1. Again 0 we are getting. ab. So 0 into minus 1, it is equal to 0 only. Now fourth question. a square plus ab plus 2. So a square is 0 square, 0 into minus 1, then 2. After the simplification, what is the answer? You will get 2 only, but here we must write a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. Here also we should add this one when a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. Simplify and find the value of x equal to 2, right? Simplify, the word is there. We have seen done the examples there. I clearly explained what is the meaning of the simplify is given. So what is the question? X plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. So first we have to simplify this expression. So let us see how it is. X plus c, 4 to be multiplied, 4x minus 20. Then grouping to be done. So what is the answer you are getting? X plus 4x will be 5x, 7 minus 20 equal to 13. So this is the first answer, right? So 5x minus 13 is the simplified form of the given expression. Now what is the next step? X equal to 2. So 5 into 2 minus 13, 10 minus 13 equal to minus 3. So when you are getting the simplification, you put it in a box very clearly. The first part is completed and the second part. If the word is asked for simplification, then only you have to go for like this. If the question is asked for simplification, if you are not attempting this step, you will not get the mark, because it is simplify and then find the value, right? So the word simplification is there, means you should simplify the expression then solve. Second question, 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. So expand this one because we have to do the simplification. 3x plus 6 then plus 5x minus 7. What is the simplified answer? Because grouping 3x plus 5x, it is 8x. 6 minus 7, it is equal to 1. So put it in a box because the first step is completed. Now what is the second step? When x equal to 2, what is the value? 8 into 2 minus 1. So your answer is 15. Clear now? Now the third question, 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. What we should do? We should simplify first. So 6x multiply with the 5, the second part, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. 6x and 5x, what is the answer? 11x. 11x minus 10. We got the simplified answer here. After this, we have to find the value also. So we are putting the value for x equal to 2. So 11 into 2 minus 10, it is equal to 22 minus 10 equal to 12. Fourth question, 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Multiplying with the 4 first because simplification we have to do. 4 into 2x is 8x. 4 into 1 minus 4, then plus 3x plus 11. Grouping 8x and 3x, 11x minus 4 plus 7 plus 7 only. Minus 4 plus 11 plus 7 only. Again we completed the simplification step, put it in a box, then substitute x as 2. 11 into 2 plus 7, that is 29. This step is very clear for you. Only the little bit confusion step is simplification only. Now we can go for the seventh question. Again the same pattern is continuing. Simplify and find the values. The question is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Here no bracket, so grouping directly we can start. 3x and minus x, 2x, minus 5 plus 9 plus 4. So your answer is 2x plus 4 is the first part. Again this time what is the value they asked? X equal to 3, a equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 2. For this particular question only x is present, so we replace x as by 3 only. So 2 into 3 plus 4, it is equal to 10 when x equal to 3. Now what is the second question? 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Again you can see no bracket there. So simplify. Minus 8x and plus 4x will be 4x. Again 4 and 2, it will be 6. So what is the answer we are getting? 6 minus 4x. So 6 minus 4x is the first part. Then what is the next step? X equal to 3 because only one variable is there. 6 minus 4 into 3, that is 6 minus 12 equal to minus 6. Third question, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Again simplification. What is the answer for simplification? 3a and minus 8 to be grouped, minus 5a, 5 and 1, it is 6. So here you can see that again another variable is coming here, a value is to be chosen as minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 plus 6, it is equal to 11. What is the fourth question? 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Again grouping, 10 and 4 grouped here, 3b and 5b are grouped here. 10 minus 4 it is 6, minus 3b minus 5b it is minus 8b. So 6 minus 8b is the x simplified answer. Now we have to find the value by replacing b, because b is the variable present here. So b as minus 2, 6 minus 8 into minus 2, their answer is 22. Now fifth question, 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Solution of the fifth question, 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. So what we should do, grouping only a is here, b is alone only, 2a plus a, so 3a minus 2b. Again minus 4 minus 5, constant terms are also having groups here. Now 3a minus 2b minus 9 is there. So this is the simplified answer. So we will put it in a box, this one. Now what is the next step? We should write a equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 2. This fifth question is having two variables, and what is the value for that variable? A equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 2. So 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 9. 3 into minus 1, what is the answer? Minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Again minus 9. So after the simplification you will get minus 8. Eighth question, z equal to 10, find z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. Here simplification is not asked, so directly you can put a z equal to 10. So what will happen? Z cube minus 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10 minus 3 into 10, 3z will be, and plus 30. So 10 cube is 1000, minus 3 into 10 means minus 30 plus 30. So minus 30 plus 30 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? We will get 1000. 1000 is the answer. So when z equal to minus 10. What is the second part of the question? If p equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. So again you can see that the simplify word is not there. So what we can do, directly we can put the value for p as minus 10. So p square means minus 10 into minus 10, right? Minus 2p means minus 2 into minus 10, again minus 100. Minus 10 into minus 10, what is answer? 100. Minus 2 into minus 10 plus 20 minus 100. So plus 100 and minus 100 will get cancelled. So the answer is 20 when z equal to minus 10. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5? That means 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x equal to 0. That this value of the expression is given. They asked that what is the value for a. X also we have to change by 0. So we are replacing x as 0 here. 2 into 0 plus 0 minus a. So everything is 0 this side. Minus a equal to 5 or a equal to minus 5, right? So this question little bit change here. What we have given here, already value is given when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, what is the value of the expression? 5. Now x we replace with 0, then we can solve for a. What is the value for a? We are getting a equal to minus 5. Next question, 10th one, simplify and find the value when x equal a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. So the question is 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So what we should do first is simplification. So 2a square plus 2 into ab, 2ab plus 3 minus ab. So 2ab and minus ab should group, other terms are alone only. So 2a square plus ab plus 3. So this is the simplified answer, 2a square plus ab plus 3. Now what is the value to be replaced? A equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. So 2 into a square means 5 into 5. So 25 into 2, 50 plus AB. A is 5 and B is minus 3. 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 3. So final answer is 38. So we have replaced A as 5 and B as minus 3. After the simplification we are getting the value 38 only. So with this today's class I am winding up. Practice the questions thoroughly. Thank you.